on the rapping career.
It's time to put the fries in the bag.
Oh, my dreams are over. Yo, Sam, you ready? You ready to put on a show?
Yeah, I'm fucking wrong.
Okay. Yo, Sam, are you ready to level up on this shit, old ass motherfucker? Alright, here we go, motherfucker. This is one show, Buckle My Shoe Elder special. Here we go, everybody. Today we are back in a grown-ass man.